Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Renault Koleos, stock number 6025. It's ran from 05 2016 to the current shape. It's a 2TR 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2TR 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front guard no dents, left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen center stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,